Sa pangalawang pagkakataon, nagbanta si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa mga opisyal ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas at Anti-Money Laundering Council o AMLAC.
But you know, you guys there are all corrupt. Bantay kayo sa akin. I will bring you down. Titangko is about to retire. Better prepare there for I'll give you a whack. You are all corrupt and serving master. You are not supposed to engage in politics. Kayo dyan, stop corruption. If you think that the pay there, central bank, despite of its vault full of money, and you're still hungry, umalis kayo dyan.
Giit ng Pangulo, huli nang mag-comply sa hinihinging ulat sa kanila ng National Bureau of Investigation kaugnay ng mga drug lord at personalidad na isinasangkot sa operasyon ng iligal na droga sa bansa, hindi pa ginagawa ng tama ang kanilang mga trabaho.
Na hanggang ngayon, there's no report of this AMLA. You know, I'm going to charge all of you there. Criminally. I'll count 1 to 3, and if you don't resign, I will treat you as a drug addict. You know, you're contributing to the corruption of this country. You have reported to the NBI and submitted it very late. Yet you do not have the assessment report.
Dati na ring hinamon ni Pangulong Duterte ang AMLAC at BSP na maglabas ng ebidensya laban sa kanya dahil sa alegasyon ni Senador Antonio Trillanes noong panahon ng kampanya na nagkamalang Pangulo ng milyong-milyong piso sa kanyang bank account noong Davao City Mayor pa ito. Una na ring inutusan ng Pangulo ang BSP at AMLAC na makipagtulungan sa Department of Justice. Kaya naman, napuno na ang Pangulo at pinagbanta ang sasampahan ng criminal charges ang mga umano'y tiwaling opisyal.
Sabi ng NBI, tinun over na pero walang analysis yung flow ng ano. They're supposed to do that kasi trabaho nila yan. Sabi ko, bantay kayo kaya pag hindi dadamputin ko kayong lahat. Kasi I could charge you for, bantay kayo if I charge you for something at may naisip na ang Justice Department, I will personally arrest you. All of you.
Leslie Lombowen, UNTV News and Rescue, Philippines.